Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. What a fantastic rally, a 200 point plus rally. And this is the third straight day of market going up. Last Thursday, Friday and today. It was 4 days of fall before this, now 3 days of rise, and now the optimism is coming back for the new all-time high before the end of December. So we still have 5 more trading sessions. The global markets are looking very good, and today morning I reported silver was at all-time high, gold was all-time high in international markets. And its reflection was there in stock market. Instant zinc, which is a proxy play for silver, shot up today, and gold and silver, proxy is MCX. MCX shot up nearly 5% today, and it is a fresh all-time high. And the BSE stock also did very well. So as people are saying that, there'll be some new monthly options may be introduced. So these are all some of the buzzing stocks, while the broader markets are not actually doing very well. Positionally I'm talking, but today mid cap, small cap, next 50, everything was up. Today everything was up, including the India VIX. And of course, that is not a very big concern. It's a very, very small rise. What happened last 2 weeks, Friday a market closed with a big optimism. Then the next Monday and Tuesday, 2 days markets fell drastically, creating a hell lot of trouble for the put writers for the last 2 weeks. So because of that, last week, when Friday market were higher for second straight day, the people were worried to sell put options, but today Nifty shot up 200 points and giving trouble for the call writers. So anyway, for the last 4 weeks, the Nifty has been stuck in the range 25,700 and 26,300. And so tomorrow there's just only one trading session, but call premiums are very high, especially towards the end of the day. And because the people are thinking that tomorrow also market may gap up. So after this, then, we have only 4 more trading sessions because one day Christmas holiday. So my stand is still the same, 25,700 to 26,300 for this week until tomorrow for this weekly expiry, and 25,500 to 26,500 for a monthly expiry. And stock-specific actions like Instant Zinc, MCX, BSE likely to continue. Otherwise, the overall market, today it's led by large caps. Today Infosys, I don't know what has happened on Infosys on Friday. Still, it closed around 500% higher. So that had some good positive momentum in India also. In fact, if I'm not wrong, Infosys is the one which contributed the highest number of points for Nifty on the higher side. And then after that, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries and Bharti Airtel. I think these 4 stocks alone contributed for more than 50% of the rally. So overall, it's like I call it a pendulum. So pendulum moves this way. So the same way the market has been moving from 26,000 to left and right, 300 points. So one can, meanwhile, I think RBI would have intervened in the markets, in the currency market. So the rupee has appreciated. So people are waiting for 26,300. So if that is taken out, so, technically the markets become long. Most of the time, technical people come to the market when a certain key levels are taken out. So that key level now it is 26,300. So it's a good month for option writers, and because the market has been just consolidating. So consolidation market is the best market for option writers, especially those who are doing non-directional trades, right? Sometimes, I've done some trade, like I bought 26,100 call option, sold 26,200, 26,300 call options for this weekly expiry. So if it closes around 26,200, that will be the best possible closing for that position. So, people do generally call ratio, put ratio, or straddle or strangle. So whichever strategy they have done. So this month, so it's a good month. So that will be a happy Christmas for all those people. Advance happy Christmas. So let us see where the market is going to go tomorrow. It all depends upon where the US market will be. If there is one more technical glitch, if HDFC Bank shoots up by 50% today in US market, then we will have a big dhamaka here tomorrow. So let us hope there is no technical glitch or there is no short squeeze in US markets. So let us see what's going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.